Alright, first things first. Before we actually begin working inside of Excel, we need to learn how to open up the application first. Now, some of you may already have the Excel shortcut placed on your desktop. If you do, you can go ahead and give that a double click, which will open up the application. If you don't see the shortcut, what you want to do is go down to the bottom left corner of your screen and click the Start button. Now, my Start menu may look a little different than yours, depending on what kind of operating system you're on. Currently, I'm on Windows 10, so my Start menu looks like this. Now, if we scroll down to the letter E, we can open Excel from here, or we can search for it in the search bar, and we can open Excel this way. Alright, now that we have Excel open, we are introduced by the Start screen. Now, your Start screen may look a little different than mine, depending on the version of Excel you have. In the next video, we will learn how to determine what version of Excel you're working with and discuss a little bit more about what the Start screen consists of.